Hello. This video walks you through exactly what you need to do to create a stunning pie chart in Excel. Let's get started. I already have a sample dataset, shops and unit sales. All I need do to create a pie chart is to select my dataset. Go to Insert and under Pie Chart, click 2D Pie Chart. Now our pie chart have been inserted. We can move it around to a comfortable position. If you watch, you will see that our pie chart do not have data labels. We can add our data labels by going to Add Chart Elements here and click Add Data Labels, and then you come to click More Data Labels. Here our data labels have been added. We can as well modify our data labels by right-clicking on it and click Format Data Label. Here we can choose how to position our label. You can position it at the center or at inside end, outside end, or best fit. For the purposes of this video, I will leave it at best fit. If you see, our data labels are just the unit cells. We can as well convert it to percentage by checking the percentage box here. You can see our unit cells is 1500 and it represents 25%. We can as well add our category names by checking on category names. In this case, we see that Shop D that have a unit size of 1500 represents 20% of the sales. Next, we can format this our data labels as we want by coming to Home, maybe changing our text height. Let's make it 10. We can as well make it bold or even change the color. Now let's change it to white, to black, sorry. Now our data label has been formatted. Next, let's look at formatting the color of our chart. Because we wanted our highest sales shop to stand out, we can just click on the chart, come to Format, and click on Shape Field. Here we will choose this color. Okay. We'll go back there and reselect Shop A, which is the highest selling shop. Go back to Shapes and Fill and choose this color. click OK. In this case, our shop A stood out very well. Can as well reposition our data labels to be more interesting. Now we can select our data labels and reset the font type. Let's use 8 instead. Now the labels are properly positioned. In this case now we have no need of the legend, so we take them out. We can as well change our chart title. Can now call it Unit Sales by Shop. We can as well make one of the pies to protrude out. This we do by selecting it from a point explosion and increase the percentage. In this case, I'll just leave my percentage to 12. With this, I'm sure you are now comfortable in creating a stunning pie chart in Excel. If you do like this video, we encourage you to subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.